an artist you are. The stage is magical. It has its own power. So paying respects to the co-artists with me today, thanking the co-artists with us who helped us beautifully play with the children. It is very, very difficult to play with little children who are just learning to sing, and I really thank both my artists. Madhu has been here with me for the last, I don't know, 3-4 years. I've lost count actually. And Raman sir, thank you so much. So with their help and support, we'll start the concluding song of today's day. Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam. Mukudakke Mangala Matsyavatharage Mukake Mangala Muttu Purnamige Mukudakke Mangala Matsyavatharage Mukake Mangala Muttu Purnamige Sukandhakke Mangala Supara Rupake Nakage Mangala Narasimhage Sukandhakke Mangala Supara Rupake Nakage Mangala Narasimhage Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam Mangalam Jaya Mangalam Mangalam Shubha Mangalam. Vakshake Mangalam